Europe is going mad for electric cars. The streets of major cities like Paris, Berlin, and Amsterdam are now filled with sleek, silent electric vehicles. It's a revolution on wheels, and it's happening faster than anyone could have predicted. They can't get enough of them. Sales are booming. Car dealerships are seeing a surge in customers eager to make the switch from traditional petrol and diesel cars to electric ones. Showrooms are buzzing with excitement as people explore the latest models and technologies. In the first 3 months of 2025, over 400,000 electric cars were sold in Europe. This is a significant increase compared to previous years, showing a clear trend towards greener transportation. The numbers are staggering and continue to rise. That's a lot of cars. Parking lots and highways are now dominated by electric vehicles, a sight that was rare just a few years ago. The infrastructure is rapidly adapting to accommodate this influx, with more charging stations popping up everywhere. It's clear that people in Europe want to be green and ditch their smelly old petrol cars. The shift is not just about the environment, it's also about embracing new technology and a cleaner, more sustainable way of living. The future of transportation in Europe is electric, and it's here to stay. There's one problem for Tesla. Despite their innovative technology and strong brand presence, they are facing a significant challenge. While everyone else is selling more electric cars, Tesla is selling fewer. It's very strange. Other manufacturers are seeing a surge in demand, but Tesla's numbers are dropping. This trend is puzzling industry experts and investors alike. In the first part of 2025, Tesla sold 37% fewer cars than last year. That's a huge drop. This decline is alarming, especially considering the overall growth in the electric vehicle market. Analysts are trying to understand the reasons behind this unexpected downturn. This is bad news for Tesla, especially since they are supposed to be the electric car experts. The company has always been at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution, but now they seem to be losing their edge. The pressure is on for Tesla to identify the issues and turn things around quickly. If they don't, they risk losing their position as the leader in the electric car industry. So, why aren't people buying Teslas anymore? This is a question that has been on the minds of many industry experts and consumers alike. Tesla, once the undisputed leader in the electric vehicle market, is now facing stiff competition and a decline in its market share. Let's delve into the reasons behind this shift. There are a few reasons. The landscape of the electric vehicle market has changed dramatically over the past few years. New players have entered the market, and existing car manufacturers have ramped up their efforts to produce high-quality electric vehicles. This has led to a more competitive environment, making it harder for Tesla to maintain its dominance. Firstly, European car makers like Volkswagen and BMW have finally woken up. These companies have a long history of producing reliable and well-engineered vehicles, and they have now turned their attention to the electric vehicle market. They have invested heavily in research and development to create electric cars that are not only efficient, but also stylish and packed with the latest technology. They are now making their own electric cars, and they are very good. The Volkswagen ID.4 and the BMW M3 are just two examples of the high-quality electric vehicles coming out of Europe. These cars offer impressive range, fast charging capabilities, and a host of advanced features that appeal to modern consumers. Secondly, European car companies are better at looking after their customers. Customer service is a critical aspect of the car buying experience, and European manufacturers have a reputation for providing excellent service. They have established extensive networks of dealerships and service centers, ensuring that customers can get the support they need quickly and efficiently. They have more garages and are better at fixing problems. This is particularly important for electric vehicles, which can require specialized maintenance and repairs. European car makers have invested in training their staff and equipping their service centers with the necessary tools and technology to handle these tasks. This is important in Europe. The dense urban environments and extensive road networks in Europe mean that having access to reliable service centers is crucial for car owners. European manufacturers have recognized this need and have worked to ensure that their customers are well supported. Thirdly, Teslas are still quite expensive. While Tesla has made some efforts to reduce the prices of its vehicles, they remain out of reach for many consumers. The high cost of Teslas can be a significant barrier for potential buyers, especially when there are more affordable options available from other manufacturers. Even though they have cut prices a bit, they're still more expensive than many other electric cars. This price difference can be a deciding factor for budget-conscious consumers who are looking for the best value for their money. Other manufacturers have been able to offer competitive pricing without compromising on quality or features. Finally, Tesla's cars are starting to look a bit old. The design of Tesla's vehicles has remained largely unchanged for several years. While they were once seen as cutting-edge and futuristic, they are now starting to look dated compared to the newer models from other manufacturers. They haven't changed the designs much in recent years. This lack of innovation in design can make Tesla's cars less appealing to consumers who are looking for something fresh and exciting. Other manufacturers have been more aggressive in updating their designs and incorporating the latest trends and technologies. Other companies are coming out with newer, more exciting designs. Brands like Audi, Mercedes-Benz, and even newer entrants like Rivian and Lucid Motors are pushing the boundaries of electric vehicle design. They are offering cars that not only perform well, but also look stunning and incorporate the latest in automotive technology. This has made the market more dynamic and competitive, giving consumers more choices and making it harder for Tesla to stand out.
Section 4. Can Tesla fix this? Tesla needs to do something to fix this mess. They are trying to tempt buyers with free supercharging and cheap loans. This might help a little bit, but it might not be enough. Section 5. The future for Tesla in Europe. If Tesla doesn't do something quickly, they could be in big trouble in Europe. They need to make their cars cheaper and more appealing to European buyers. If they don't, people will just buy their electric cars from someone else. It's as simple as that.